This is the first hands-on session, IDE project setup, in which I'll create an initial project and some initial packages. So I'm using IntelliJ, the community edition. Start IntelliJ. I get here a welcome screen, and what I do is create a new project. For the project name, we're going to use drawing. And at the location, in my case, on my D drive, Java under the hood /OOP. Java language, build system, IntelliJ, and I'm using the GDK version 17. I'm not going to add any sample code. I just want to start from scratch. Looking at the advanced setting, okay, create. Then I'm being presented the project view. The name of my projects. This is my initial source folder in which I'll put my Java classes, Java source files, external libraries. So by default, I have a link to the GDK 17. First thing is to create some packages. Now, as we are starting this video series, we are in the first module. So I'm going to create my first package. I'll right click on the source directory, new package, and I type mod01 classes objects. Press enter. And as explained in the getting started video, I'm going to create two sub packages in order to make a distinction between library classes and application classes. Here I create an additional subdirectory lib for the library classes, and right click new package app. Okay, this for our first hands-on session.